The Kia Sportage is an above-average crossover that will be noted for its tasteful interior and noticed for its polarizing face. While it falls short of the segment's elite, the Sportage lineup encompasses 3 competent models, including a sporty turbo version. A long list of premium features, such as adaptive headlights and high-tech safety assists, are pluses that balance its disappointing fuel economy and cramped cargo area. The Sportage is all new for 2017, and the change is most apparent in its odd front-end styling, with a grille that makes it look as if it's getting its baby teeth. Kia increased the Sportage's size by stretching the wheelbase and overall length, which has resulted in added room for passengers and more cargo space, although it's still not as spacious as the competition. Inside the curvy sheet metal, the redesigned interior benefits from an improved layout and upgraded materials. Beneath the surface, the Sportage sports a stiffer structure, a pair of retuned engines, and suspension and steering enhancements. On the technology front, Kia's third generation of UVO infotainment software is now available, as are a slew of active safety assists, including rear cross-traffic alert and automated emergency braking. The mid-level X trim combines an affordable price with a plethora of fancy features. Starting at $26,595, the X is only a couple $1,000s more than the base LX, but it includes extra tech and upgraded interior appointments. While the SX Turbo provides excellent performance and a longer list of luxury lineaments, those upgrades come with stunted fuel economy and aren't worth the $7,000 premium. That said, we stand behind the better value provided by the X's standard 2.4-liter inline-4 and front-wheel drive, which are more than adequate for most driving scenarios. However, if you seek the bad-weather confidence of all-wheel drive, you can purchase that additional security on any Sportage for $1,500. Beyond the aforementioned standard features, the X adds. Compact crossovers don't get much quicker than the turbocharged Sportage. A trusty 6-speed automatic and a sedate yet effective non-turbo 4-cylinder fill the rest of the powertrain platter. The Sportage lineup has 2 engines, a 2.4-liter inline-4 and a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4. Both rely on a 6-speed automatic transmission, and they're available in front or all-wheel drive. The 2.4-liter makes 181 horsepower and 175 lb-ft of torque. The turbocharged 2.0-liter is exclusive to the SX trim and produces 240 horsepower, 237 with all-wheel drive, and 260 lb-ft of torque. We found few faults with the transmission, which shifted well and was rarely caught off guard by sudden requests for more power.